Hey everybody, Jason with Fueled UTV. We are back with another product spotlight and installation guide on the Can-Am Maverick R. Last year, the original grille got slightly damaged. Not sure how that happened. Oh! Lucky for us, CT Worx put out an awesome new grille with light bar kit for the Maverick R. The two-piece grille makes installation very easy and adds a 10-inch LED light bar from SD Lighting. And you can also choose between versions that allow an OEM front camera or not. Let's jump back to the shop and we'll show you how we installed it and wired it up.
Alright guys, so today we're going to be installing the CT Worx Mav R grill kit in our shop Mav R today. It's a pretty nice looking grill. It's pretty heavy duty compared to some of the other ones I've seen. Doesn't flex as much. You get a wiring harness and a light bar. Looks like it retains the factory camera up front, so let's get installing it.
First, remove the two torque screws that hold the bottom of the stock grille in place. Just yank on it. Garbage. Use the included hardware and brackets to mount the light bar to the main part of the CT Worx grill.
Good.
In our case, we only use part of the included wire harness because we're tying the light into a switchworks system. Let us know in the comments if you're interested in a dedicated video about auxiliary switch systems. If you're using the included harness, relay, and switch, we'll link to a helpful PDF that gives some great tips for wiring it up. We ran the wire into the cab and attached it to the switchworks system, then attached the harness to the light bar and loosely set the grill in place. Secure the bottom of the grill with the OEM torque screws. Use the included hardware to secure the top of the grill to the OEM mounting tab. This was the only part of the installation that was a little tricky. Lastly, attach the top part of the grill with the included hardware. Test the light, and you're done. That's pretty cool. To pick up the CT Worx grill and light bar kit, click the link in the description. And regardless of what UTV you have, FueledUTV.com is your one-stop shop. Give our team of experts a call for advice, recommendations, or if you're researching what fits on your machine. Until next time, I'm Jason with Fueled UTV, and we'll see you out on the trail.